In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks. To get started, open QuickBooks and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access the tools and financial reports you need. A balance sheet report is useful because it gives you a snapshot of your business's financial position, including assets, liabilities, and equity, all as of a specific date. Once you're inside QuickBooks, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Reports. This section is where QuickBooks stores standard financial reports, and it's the fastest place to go when you need a summary of your company's numbers. After the reports page opens, find and click on Balance Sheet. This will open the standard balance sheet report in QuickBooks. If you use this report often, it's a good one to become familiar with since it helps you quickly understand what your business owns and what it owes. At the top of the report, you'll see a report period dropdown. Click that dropdown and choose the date or reporting period you want to review. This step is important because a balance sheet is tied to a specific point in time. Make sure you select the period that matches the information you need, whether that's today, the end of last month, or another date required for your review. Next, choose your accounting method. QuickBooks gives you the option to view the report using either cash or accrual accounting. Select the method that matches how you want your financial data to be presented. If your business normally reviews books one way for internal use and another way for tax or accounting purposes, double check that you're choosing the correct option before running the report. Once your report period and accounting method are set, click Run Report. QuickBooks will then generate the balance sheet based on the settings you selected. After it loads, take a moment to review the totals and sections shown on the screen so you can confirm you're looking at the correct data. And that's it. You've successfully run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks. If you plan to use this report regularly, it's a good idea to pay close attention to the report period and accounting method each time, since those two settings directly affect the results you see.